Hey everyone, and thanks for connecting to my channel. As you can see, this bathroom is in desperate need of a total renovation, and that's exactly what we're doing over here at King's Casa. We have pulled everything out. The cabinetry, the mirrors, the toilet, everything is being ripped out. We are starting fresh. We are starting from scratch. These are the before pictures of how the bathroom looked. As you can see, the bathroom is very dull, very dated, just so uninviting. We're going to change that. The big reveal is up next. I want to take this opportunity to thank those who support me. I thank you for your support. I thank you for always continuing to watch the videos. Please share, like, comment, and continue to subscribe. Share them with your family and friends. If you are not a subscriber of Freddie King's Home Decor Team, please take this opportunity to do so right now. And with that said, please enjoy the video. This bathroom is being primarily used by our youngest daughter, and as you can see, we've integrated the light gray, silver accented with white, and the natural wood tone hardwood floor. This bathroom has been totally transformed. It is now light, it is bright, it looks clean, it is clean. We've added associated decor to add pops of color onto the walls themselves. As you can see, we've integrated enough decor to make it nice, make it classy. Here we've topped off the towels with just one simple tassel, but we didn't want to put too much decor to crowd the bathroom. The ideal here is to make it feel more spacious than what it actually is. But this bathroom is actually a nice, decent size because it only has one window and it's on the side of the house where it has very limited light. We use Sherwin-Williams alabaster as the paint color in order to just give the paint in this bathroom a new, fresh coat. The bathroom towels came out absolutely fabulous. We really love it. As you can see, we've extended them all the way up to the top of the ceiling. This is Crystal Grist 2 porcelain towels from Floor & Decor. The towel itself has a combination of the natural brown, which accents the floor, the light gray or pewter color, which accents the countertop or the cabinetry, and the white or off-white in the towel, which accents the countertop. This tub we originally was going to pull out, but we brought a company in that was able to apply a solution and do a special tub reface technique that made the tub look practically brand new. One feature that I did want to point out is the faucet at the sink. As you can see, we chose a modern look so that as the water flows, you can see it flowing through the actual faucet itself because the top is exposed. We love it. Here's another look at the shower. It gives you a detailed look not only at the tiles, but the niche itself. Here's another look at how we extended the tiles all the way up to the ceiling to give that clean, modern look and finish. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you again for stopping by my channel and watching this video. Again, if you are not a subscriber, please take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button right now and make sure you click the notification bell so you will always be notified of future video uploads from me. We have more projects to share with you and more work to do here in our home. I look forward to sharing this content with you soon. Until next time, thanks again for stopping by. This is Freddie, Freddie King's Home Decor. Bye-bye.